In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images using Google Slides. This straightforward process is perfect for enhancing your presentations, making them more visually appealing and engaging. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the address for Google Slides, or simply searching for it through your favorite search engine. Once you've found Google Slides, make sure to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Signing in is essential as it allows you to access your saved presentations and take advantage of all the features Google Slides offers. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to start fresh with a blank presentation or choose a template if you prefer something with a bit more structure. Selecting a template can be beneficial if you're looking for a cohesive design right from the start. However, a blank presentation might be better suited if you want full control over the design elements. Now that your presentation is open, it's time to add an image. To do this, click on the image icon or navigate to the Insert tab at the top and select Image. This allows you to upload an image from your computer, use a photo from your Google Drive, or even search for a picture directly from the web. Once your image is on the slide, the next step is to manipulate its placement and layers. Click on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and the corner handles, which you can use to resize the image if needed. With the image selected, head over to the Arrange menu at the top where you'll find the Order option. Clicking on Order will give you the ability to adjust the layering of your images. If you want to overlay one image on top of another, you might find the options Bring to Front or Center Back especially useful. These options allow you to control which images appear on top and which are behind. Finally, by experimenting with these settings, you can create a visually dynamic composition within your slide presentation. This simple yet effective technique can help draw attention to specific details or enhance the thematic elements of your slides. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to overlay images in Google Slides. This method not only improves the aesthetics of your presentations, but also adds a layer of sophistication to your work. Don't forget to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to experiment with these tools and soon you'll be creating stunning presentations with ease.